video, we are discussing about NAND gate, NOR gate, exclusive OR gate, and exclusive NOR gate. So first we can discuss about NAND gate. A NAND gate is having two or more input signals to produce one output signal. In NAND gate, if all the inputs are 1, then the output signal is 0. And it is also known as inverted AND gate. It is also known as inverted AND gate. That means if we are passing two signals through AND gate, that is X and Y through AND gate, we will get XY. After that, we are passing it through NOT gate, then we will get XY complement. So, the operation of NAND gate is this. That means it is an inverted AND gate. The symbol for NAND gate is this one. There are two inputs. We are passing it through NAND gate. First we will draw AND gate, after that a circle. Then we will get the result as XY complement. Now we are drawing the truth table for this. For NAND gate, we will write X, Y, XY complement. Two variables means four combinations will be there. We'll write 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. Now in NAND gate, if all the inputs are 1, then the output is signal. So 0, 0, the output will be 1. 0, 1, the output will be 1. 1, 0, the output will be 1. And if all the inputs are 1, then the output signal is 0. This is the NAND gate. If you are having confusion, then first you write X, then Y, then XY. After that you find XY complement. No problem. In this way also you can draw the truth table. So the result will be like this: 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. 0 and 0, 0, 0 and 1, 0, 1 and 0, 0, 1 and 1, 1. Now the complement: 0 complement 1, 0 complement 1, 0 complement 1, 1 complement 0. So this is about NAND gate. Now we can pass three input signals to the NAND gate. So X, Y, Z. Passing through NAND gate, we will get X, Y, Z whole complement. Now we are drawing truth table for this NAND gate: X, Y, Z, X, Y, Z whole complement. Three variables means 8 combinations of zeros and ones. 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, and 1, 1, 0. Then 1, 1, 1. After that, we have to find XYZ complement. If all the inputs are 1, the output will be 0. Balance, the output will be 1. So this is the answer. Now see here, 0, 0, 0, it will be 1 because we will get output as 1 either if the inputs are 0 or 1. If all the inputs are 1, then the output will be 0. This is about NAND gate. Next is NOR gate. NOR gate is having two or more input signals to produce one output signal. Now see here, if all the inputs are 0, then the output signal is 1. In NOR gate, all the inputs are 0, then the output signal is 1. It is also known as inverted OR gate. Now keep this point in your mind. You will get confused with NAND gate and NOR gate. So better you do one thing. Just learn one gate, that is NAND gate or NOR gate. So if we are studying NAND gate, NOR gate is just opposite to NAND gate. So study about NAND gate, then you will automatically understand about the NOR gate. So NOR gate means inverted OR gate. So first we will take two variables X and Y. It is passing through OR gate, we will get X plus Y. After that, we are passing it through NOT gate, we will get X plus Y complement. This is the function of NOR gate. So the symbol of NOR gate is, first we will write OR gate. After that, we will put a circle. Now we are passing X, Y to NOR gate. Then we will get X plus Y whole complement. Now we can draw the truth table. So we'll write X, y, then x plus y complement. Two variables means four combinations of zeros and ones. We'll write 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. Now, in NOR gate, if all the inputs are 0, then the output is 1. So, see here, both the inputs are 0, so the output is 1. Others, all the input will be 0. Sorry, all the output will be 0. In NOR gate, if all the inputs are 0, then the output is 1, and balance all the output will be 0. Now we can pass three variables to the NOR gate. So the symbol of NOR gate is this one. First we will draw NOR gate. First we will draw OR gate, then a circle. Then we have to pass three variables x, y, z. Then we will get the result f. F equal to x plus y plus z whole complement. Now we can draw truth table for this. X, y, z, then x plus y plus z whole complement. So three variables, 8 combinations: 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, and 1, 1, 1. Now, in OR gate, if all the inputs are 0, the result will be 1 and other results will be 0. So, this is the truth table for NOR gate. Next is the exclusive OR gate. The exclusive OR gate is having two or more input signals to produce one output signal, and the exclusive OR gate produces output 1 for only those input combination that have odd number of ones. So the symbol for exclusive OR gate is this. First we will draw OR gate. First we will draw the OR gate. So this is an OR gate of three variables. After that we will, before the OR gate, we will draw a curve. So this is the exclusive OR gate. Now the exclusive OR gate is represented by the symbol a circle. Then inside the circle there is a plus. So the result will be like this: f equal to x exclusive OR, y exclusive OR z. Now we can try with two variables. We'll take xy passing through exclusive OR. Then we will get the result as x exclusive OR y. Now we can draw truth table for x exclusive OR y. There are two variables. We'll write x, y, then x exclusive OR y. Two variables means four combinations of zeros and ones. So 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. Now in exclusive OR gate, one condition is a, it will produce output 1 only for those input combination that have odd number of 1. In the input combination, if there is odd number of 1, we will get the result as 1. Now see here, this is 2, 0, so the result will be 0. Now 0, 1, it is having odd number of 1. How many 1 are there? 1. That is odd. So the output will be 1. Now 1, 0. There is single 1. Only 1, 1. That means odd number of 1. The output will be 1. 1, 1. The output will be 0. Now we can draw truth table for x exclusive OR, y exclusive OR z. For three variables, we'll write x, y, z. Then we'll write x exclusive OR, y exclusive OR z. Then 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, then 1, 0, 0, then 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, and 1, 1, 1. After that, we have to find the result. So it is said that if all it will produce output 1 for only those input combination that have odd number of 1. If the input combination is having odd number of 1, we will be having the output as 1. So 0, 0, 0. So the output will be 0. Now see 0, 0, 1. Here odd number of 1. The output will be 1. Now 0, 1, 0. Odd number of 1, 0. Now 0, 1, 1. Here two ones are there. 2 means even. So the output will be 0. 1, 0, 0. So the output will be 1. 1, 0, 1. That is even number of 1, 0. 1, 1, 0. Even number of 1. Again it is 0. 1, 1, 1. That means odd number of 1. The output will be 1. So this is about exclusive OR gate. Now next is exclusive NOR gate. It is equivalent to an inverted exclusive OR gate. It is equivalent to an inverted exclusive OR gate. Then exclusive NOR gate produces output 1 for only those input combination that have even number of ones and zeros. If it is having even number of ones and zeros, then the output will be 1. So the symbol is, first we will draw a NOR gate. Before that, we will draw a curve. So we are passing X and Y through the exclusive NOR gate. This is the symbol. Then we will get the result F. F means X exclusive OR, Y exclusive OR complement. This is the exclusive NOR. This is the result of exclusive NOR. Now we can try for three variables X, Y, Z. Then the symbol of exclusive OR is this. Sorry, exclusive NOR is this. The result will be like this. F equal to X exclusive OR Y exclusive OR Z, then a complement. This is the result. Now we can draw truth table X, Y, then X exclusive OR Y. Now see here, two variables means the combination will be 4. 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. So here the exclusive NOR gate produces output 1 for only those input combination that have even number of ones and zeros. Now see here, it is having even number of 0. So the output will be 1. Now 0, 1. Then it will be 0. 1, 0, 0. Now see here, 1, 1. Even number of 1 is there. So it is 1. So this is all about NAND gate, NOR gate, exclusive OR gate and exclusive NOR gate. The NAND gate is known as universal gate.